good, YouTube? It is another day, and it's kind of hard to see me. Okay, and you guys know the handcuffs I did the Dollar General prices on? Yeah, they won't be handcuffs in about 10 minutes. So, let's get to it. For the line driver. Woo, look at this. Guys, I'm telling you, this is about to be the beautiful moment of your guys' lives. This is going to be the perfect video, and it's going to get lit. I want at least 50 likes on this video. I'm starting out small, alright guys? Small. Alright, so yeah, let me get to an angle where you guys can see me better, and yeah. Hey guys, I am searching for like a flat spot to put the handcuffs. I'm saying about right here. That's yes, that is a perfect spot. Alright, so okay guys, so I got the handcuffs nice and perfect right there. Got my golf club, just gotta take a few practice swings here, you know. Oh yes. Perfect. Alright, let's do this, guys. Line drive, line drive. Woo! Oh yes, that was perfect. That is perfect. Guys, that's exactly what I wanted. That is exactly what I wanted. And yeah, we're just going to do a slow motion replay right there. And let's get to it. Okay guys, before I show you guys the slow motion video, I'm going to show you guys where like all the pieces ended up around my yard. They're not in just one spot, but yeah. So let's get to the instant replay after I show you guys what shards it made in my yard. This is where I hit the handcuffs right there. There's a piece right here, a piece right there, and a little tiny part right there. There's more part of the handcuffs right there. And a little bit ways over here in my neighbor's yard, there is more handcuffs. Guys, it just keeps on going. Guys, it just keeps on going. There's another piece right there, nice and shiny. Guys, there's just all over. Alright guys, so I just felt like I just walked a mile showing you guys where the handcuffs went. I legit felt like I walked a mile. So let's get to the slow motion of me golfing a pair of handcuffs. Oh yes, that was perfect. That is perfect. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you hear any sounds, those are my neighbors. They are just mowing. But if you guys are new to my channel, just like, subscribe, share it to your friends, your family, anybody you think that watches YouTube and you think that would like my channel, and punch a like and notify your computer so whenever I make videos you will be notified, so you could be the first one to watch my video. I will start doing shout outs. If I get enough people to subscribe to me, I will start doing shout outs. So yeah, There's nothing else to say except for you guys know. Peace out, home dogs.